The 2024 BMW X5 M Competition is a testament to BMW's commitment to innovation and performance. Following the premiere of the refreshed 2024 BMW X5 in early February 2023, the M Competition variant made its debut, ready for production at BMW's Spartanburg, South Carolina plant. With a starting price of $123,000 after the $995 destination fee, this SUV is set to make a statement in the luxury vehicle market. Under the hood, the M Competition continues to harness the power of a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8. However, a significant update is the addition of a 48-volt mild hybrid assistance. This electric motor integration adds 12 horsepower and 147 pound-feet, seamlessly integrating into the 8-speed automatic transmission. Despite these additions, the total output remains consistent with its predecessors, boasting 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. BMW emphasizes that this hybrid assistance not only enhances acceleration from a standstill, but also contributes to improved fuel efficiency. The V8 engine itself has undergone several refinements. New components such as a crossbank exhaust manifold, reinforced crankshaft drive, an electrically controlled blow-off valve for the turbos, and a revised air intake duct have been introduced. Additionally, the M Sport exhaust, now standard, features updated catalytic converters that effectively reduce emissions. Performance-wise, the 2024 X5 M Competition can reach 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds, with an electronically capped top speed of 155 miles per hour. For those seeking even more thrill, the optional M Drivers package can push this limit to 177 miles per hour. Aesthetically, the 2024 BMW X5 M Competition has embraced a sleeker look. Slimmer headlights and entirely black kidney grills give the SUV a more aggressive appearance. New exterior color options including Brooklyn Gray Metallic, Isle of Man Green Metallic, and Frozen Pure Gray Metallic have been introduced. Inside, the cabin showcases the BMW curved display, merging a 12.3-inch information screen with a 14.9-inch control monitor. Carbon fiber trim is standard, but for those desiring a touch of elegance, options like Fineline Black or Silver Ash Root open pore wood are available. This SUV is a harmonious blend of power, innovation, and luxury. With its hybrid enhancements, refined engine components, and updated aesthetics, it stands as a formidable contender in the luxury SUV market. BMW's commitment to excellence is evident in every facet of this vehicle, promising an unparalleled driving experience for its owners. The 2024 BMW X5 M Competition also places a significant emphasis on driver and passenger experience. Advanced technology features combined with luxurious interior detailing ensure that every journey is both comfortable and engaging. The integration of state-of-the-art infotainment systems, coupled with high-quality sound systems and intuitive controls, makes for an immersive driving environment. Safety features and driver assistance systems have also been enhanced, ensuring that the vehicle not only delivers on performance but also prioritizes the well-being of its occupants. This holistic approach to design and functionality further cements the BMW X5 M Competition's position as a leader in its class. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.